Apple surprisingly released a 15-inch version of the MacBook Air featuring a bigger display and an overall slim chassis. But is it actually worth it compared to the previous 13-inch version? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
The demand for the 15-inch MacBook was always there ever since the first 13-inch MacBook Air showed up. Subsequently, Apple happily managed to pull it out for their fans by bringing the 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display on this new version of MacBook Air. This 15-inch model comes with 2880 by 1864 resolution, whereas the 13-inch version features 2560 by 1664 resolution. Followed by the same sleek aesthetic and fanless design, the new MacBook Air is only 11.5mm thin, which makes it the world's thinnest 15-inch laptop. Although it weighs slightly higher, 3.3 pounds compared to the 2.7 pound 13-inch model, it still is very lightweight. On top of that, they also made a few changes to the audio as well by putting a 6-speaker sound setup instead of the 4-speaker that the 13-inch version is equipped with. Apart from that, both new and old models are powered by the M2 chip. The base version of the 15-inch M2 model features an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU with a price tag of $1,299. On the other hand, they dropped the price of the 13-inch M2 model to $100 less, which is $1,099, and it has a slightly lower 8-core GPU. The bottom line is, the performance in both these versions are not really the change that people are interested in. Although the new variant is slightly faster, both of the performance between them is not that noticeable. It's all about the new 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display and an affordable price tag that makes it stand out. Also, if you're looking for the most value, then now is the right time to get the 13-inch MacBook Air at $100 less price tag. So that was all about the comparison between the latest MacBook Air 15 versus MacBook Air 13 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.